Guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make an invitation card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Log into your Canva account. After logging in, you can see here a search bar. Just click on this and write invitation card and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many invitation templates, which is thousands of. You can see here you have to just choose one which is relevant to your ceremony or invitation, then and obviously which is your choice preference. Then start customizing. I'm showing you how you can choose and start customizing. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. Or you can choose, let's choose this one. You can customize this template by clicking on this customize this template. After clicking on this, you will be here your customizing template. You can change every portion you want, like I'm showing you. Just click on this, and if you want to change this, we wish you a dash, just double click and press backspace. It will be removed, and write your things like wishing you a very okay. So if you want to change this, double click on this and press backspace. It will be removed, and you can write here Eid Mubarak, or you can write here Mast, or you can also write here anything like Diwali, or anything you can write. Okay, so you can also change this thing and a happy new year. If you want to change this, or if you want to change the background color, double click on this and you can see here the text color. Go to text color and you will find many colors. Just choose one and it will be changed automatically. Okay, see, this is how you can change this. So now if you want to change, okay, now if you want to change the background color, how you can change it, I'm going to show you. Just click on free space and go background color, and you will find many background color here like this. Okay, so any background color you can choose. It will be like this, or if you want it to remain still same, just click undo. It will be undo automatically. Okay, now if you want to add something here, just go to elements and let's see, you want to add a candy here. Okay, so candy, press enter. You'll find many candies here. Just press, and if you see this like big, make it small with your mouse, and then you can drag it here. Okay guys, so after completing your work, how you can download it or in your system, go to share. You can see here download, click on download, and after clicking on download, it will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share it with someone, go to this button, collaborate link, and you can see here anyone with the link. Click on this and write here the email address you want to share with, @gmail.com. @gmail.com. After clicking on send button, this whole work will send to this email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can customize a invitation card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.